Hey guys! In today's stitch tutorial we're going to be learning how to do the chevron stitch, so let's get into it. To start off our chevron stitch, we're going to chain in multiples of 11 plus 2. So I'm going to chain 33 plus 2. Okay, so here I have my 33 chains, and I'm going to add that plus 2. 1, 2. Now what we're going to do is work 2 single crochets into the second chain from the hook. 1 and 2. And now we're going to work 1 single crochet into the next 4 chains. So, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now we're going to skip 2 of the chains. So skip 1 and 2. And now we're going to work 1 single crochet into the next 4 chains again after we skip those 2. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now we're going to work 3 single crochet into this next chain. 1, 2, 3, all into the same stitch. And now we're going to work 1 single crochet into the next 4 chains again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we're going to skip 2 chains once more. So skip 1, 2, and work 1 single crochet into the next 4 chains again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we're going to work 3 single crochets into the next chain. 1, 2, and 3. And now again, we're going to work 1 single crochet into the next 4 chains. 2, 3, 4. And again, we're going to skip 2 chains, 1 and 2, and work 1 single crochet into the next 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then when you're done with that repeating pattern, you should be left with 1 chain by the end of your row. And we're going to again work 2 single crochets into that last chain. 1 and 2. And as you can see, it started to make that zigzaggy chevron pattern. So now we're going to jump into the second row. So what we're going to do here is chain 1 and then turn your work. And in this first stitch here, we're going to work 2 single crochets. 1 and 2. And we're going to work 1 single crochet into the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And again, we're going to skip 2 stitches to make this little divot here. So skip 1 and 2, and then work 1 single crochet into the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then at this top little peak here of this spike, we're going to work 3 single crochets into that stitch. 1, 2, 3. So we're essentially just repeating that first row over and over again, and it's going to start making these spikes. So again, we're going to work 1 single crochet into the next 4 stitches. 2, 3, and 4. So essentially the pattern that you're working is that at the beginning of your row, you're working 2 single crochets into your first stitch, then working 1 single crochet into your next 4 stitches, skipping 2 to make this little divot, and then again working 1 single crochet into the next 4 stitches, and then at the top of your peak, you're going to work 3 single crochet to form that peak, and then keep repeating that process. So 1 single crochet into the next 4 going down, skip 2 to make that dip, and then 4 going up, 3 at the top. And just keep doing that until you reach your last stitch, in which case you put in your 2 single crochet at the beginning and the end of each row. So I'm going to keep working that pattern for a couple rows, and then we'll see what this looks like after that. Okay, so here I have my little swatch of chevron, and as you can see, as you start to work that pattern over and over again, you start to get your little chevron. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that you use this stitch to make lots of cute little projects, and we look forward to teaching you more. Happy stitching!